This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. Selection of tubing. Select appropriate tubing and needles based on the filling volume. Regarding the appearance of bubbles, it is advisable to place the liquid in a constant temperature environment and wait for 2 hours before filling to avoid bubble formation. Installation of feed tank, tubing, and needles. The feed tank should be positioned higher than the pump head. The tubing and filling needles must be secured to prevent shaking. The inlet tubing should be less than or equal to 1 meter in length. Adjustment methods for filling fluctuations. For a target filling volume of 100 microliter, if fluctuations of plus or minus 1% occur, adjust using position offset. Set the position offset to 200 in the filling parameter interface and proceed with filling to resolve the issue. Filling time warning alerts. If an alarm is triggered after setting the filling volume, check if the filling time is greater than or equal to the minimum filling time. Operations for long-term idleness. If the equipment remains idle for an extended period, it is recommended to first recover the liquid, then rinse the tubing with distilled water, and finally disassemble the tubing. Self-inspection of the execution unit after power on. Each time the equipment is powered on, the execution unit will automatically conduct a self-check. If it does not, verify that the execution unit's power supply is securely plugged in. Setting station numbers. When using multiple execution units, set different station numbers in the address settings section.